Hello, in this video I'll be showing you how to find longer songs on TikTok. For example, songs that are longer than a minute, that will go up to 3 minutes. The first thing you will need to do is open TikTok. Then you can simply tap on the plus like you'll normally do to record your TikTok, and you can record the TikTok. Once you're finished, you'll tap on the sticky like you'll normally do. Then tap on add sound. Now you can simply search for the artist that you would like to add, for example Drake. Once you have selected the artist, you are going to tap on the two lines right in line with the search bar in the right hand corner, and then you'll see sort by, and you are going to tap on longest, then tap on apply. And you will realize now that you see the longest songs that Drake have on TikTok, which is 3 minutes and 27 seconds. And you can scroll down and you will see all of his 1 minute songs. Then if you would like to, for example, just do a general search, what I would recommend you do is simply tap on 3 minutes, type in 3 minute sounds. And here you'll see a list of longer songs. As you can see, 3 minutes and sounds up to 4 minutes. So you could even type in 4 minutes if you want. If you want just a general search, and you'll be able to see songs that are 4 minutes or longer, as you can see right there. All of these songs at the top are 4 minutes and longer. Hope you find this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.